Are you ready to turn metal into money? Introducing the ACCTEK 1530F CNC fiber laser cutting machine, a powerhouse of precision and performance. With up to 3000 watts of laser power, this machine slices through stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and more like butter. Thanks to its high-speed gear rack transmission, autofocus laser head, and plus or minus 0.02 mm repeat accuracy, you get flawless cuts every time. It's built to last with 20+ years of usage life, low maintenance, and components from brands like Raycus, IPG, Yaskawa, and Highwin. This isn't just a machine. It's a money-making asset. Offer custom metal fabrication services and earn $3,000 to $15,000 a month, depending on daily jobs and cutting material. Whether you're starting a workshop or upgrading your factory, this machine gives you the edge. Ready to scale your business? Click the link below to get started. Don't miss out, this is the machine that pays for itself.